Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through a quick in-depth comparison review about these two accounting platforms, which is Puzzle.io and Expensify. So to get started with a quick overview, Puzzle.io is a modern accounting platform designed for startup fast growing companies. It focuses on real-time automation, gap compliant finances, and a seamless sync with a banking, payroll, and expense tools. It's ideal for CFOs and financial teams looking for clean, audit-ready books with a minimal manual works. And talking about Expensify on the other side, it is expense management tools that simplifies receipt, scanning, reimbursement, and a card reconciliation for individual small businesses and enterprises. While it's not a full accounting platform, it integrates well with systems like QuickBooks and Zeros to streamline expensive tracking. And these two platforms is best for first to get started with what these two platforms are best for. So starting with Puzzle.io, the Puzzle.io is best for startup and the SaaS business that needs end-to-end automated accounting and reporting. The guys are talking about Expensify. This platform is best for business and teams needing easy expense tracking and reimbursement and approval flow. Now here's the real conclusion. If you are managing a growing finances and need a real-time automated accounting engine with a clean report and audit-ready books, just go for Puzzle.io. On the other side, if your focus is streamlining employee expense submission, reimbursement, and a card management period with an external accounting tools, just go for Expensify. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms.